Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wuthering Waves random lag and stuttering on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon and select manage. Select the folder icon to open up install location. Double click on the Wuthering Wave games folder, client folder, saved folder, config folder, Windows no editor folder. In here you need to right click on the game user settings.ini and select open with and select notepad. Under the scalability you just need to change the all values guys except resolution quality. Change the values to 0. After changing it, under the script B use dynamic resolution, change this to true. In our case maybe it's be false. You just need to change it to true. T caps letter TRUE. After typing it, select file and select save. And after doing this, just close off here. Now right click on the engine.ini and select open with and select notepad. In here you need to scroll down to the bottom. Under here you need to paste a script guys. You just need to check my video description for this script used in my video. Just copy like this. Right click on it and select a copy. And now go back to engine.ini and paste right over here under. Right click on it and select paste it. After pasting it, select file and select save. After saving it, just close off here. After doing this, you have changed the game settings to run the game with no lag. Now you are ready to play the game guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.